During the ongoing NAVCO's 2023 air combat exercise in western Greece, a photo has emerged of an Indian Air Force pilot wearing a patch, which is typically worn by Mirage 2000 pilots of the Greek Air Force. The photo shows the pilot shaking hands with General Konstantinos Fleuris, the chief of the Hellenic National Defense General Staff, highlighting the amicable relationship between the Greek and Indian militaries. After the images of the patch circulated widely, Turkish nationals were swift to denounce India and showed their support for Pakistan, as the Greek patch refers to their aim to defeat the Turkish military. Godrej Aerospace has started manufacturing 8 modules of the 48 kN dry Kaveri engine for DRDO's gas turbine research establishment that plans to complete last-mile trials for the certification of the engine before it is cleared for production. Officials have said that the dry Kaveri engine program has officially entered the Phase-2, and the engines under manufacturing will be used for fine-tuning engine performance. The next 4 engines to be manufactured and delivered from 2024 onwards are first purpose-built engines under the dry Kaveri engine program that will incorporate modifications and changes that were tested on older engines. At least 2 engines will be earmarked for further simulated high-altitude trials, while 2 engines will be used to power the unmanned strike platform. While working on the Mach 3.5 capable Brahmos next generation variant and Mach 7 capable Brahmos 2K hypersonic missile, Brahmos Aerospace is also focused on improving the performance of the existing Brahmos missiles to maintain its competitive edge. The Brahmos missile has undergone several improvements in range and capabilities in the past. However, the speed of the supersonic cruise missile has remained around Mach 2.9, but this is about to change, as Brahmos Aerospace is currently focused on increasing the speed of its liquid ramjet engine beyond Mach 4 and reaching the lower hypersonic speed range, which is typically reserved for projectiles that can fly above Mach 5. The DRDO has started manufacturing India's first defense satellite launch vehicle known as Veda, and recently released tender documents suggest that the development trials for the system will start soon. The Veda vehicle is expected to be operational in the coming months, and its objective is to replenish India's satellites in case they are destroyed or disabled due to hostile actions, and also provide the capability to launch killer nano-satellites into precise orbits to take out hostile satellites in a tit-for-tat action. The DRDO and the Indian Navy have conducted a successful trial of an air-droppable container from an IL-38 ST aircraft off the coast of Goa that has a payload capability of 150 kilograms. The trial was conducted to enhance the naval operational logistics capabilities by providing quick response to meet the requirement of critical stores to warships which are deployed more than 2,000 kilometers from the coast, and it will reduce the requirement of ships to come close to the coast to collect spares and stores. INS Satpura and INS Delhi, the 2 frontline warships of the Indian Navy, have arrived in Singapore to participate in the inaugural edition of the ASEAN India Maritime Exercise 2023 to conduct seamless operations in the maritime domain. The sea phase will be conducted from 7th May in the South China Sea, a region that has been witnessing major military assertiveness by China in the last few years.